That's the same thing we're working with the other one, except you're in a roller coaster, but it has you laid down. Same thing.
Hey, she can just go, bro.
I'm not talking about sequel. I'm talking about mana. It's just a roller coaster.
Here we go.
Same shit. Ugh. They all scared. I ain't scared.
I'm scared.
Oh boy.
There's no turning back. That's it.
There's only one way down now.
Let's get the park.
Oh dear.
300 feet.
I ain't worried about it.
Look at it.
If my data goes, my data goes. That's it. I'll live my life the way I want it.
And you were happy.
Oh, I don't like this.
There's the only way to get a feet of heights.
Oh, we know where Tampa is.
Oh God. I don't like this.
Back to the army.
Ready, Dad?
Holy cow.
You ready, Dad?
Oh my God, I don't like this at all.
You ready? Chris?
No, no, I'm gonna poop my pants. My pants are gonna poop.
What is that? What is that?